Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful mathematical expression that is 75 divided 15 bracket 15 divide 3. It looks simple, right? But still many people fail to solve this because they write 75 divided by 15, 5 and 15 divided by 3, 5 and 5 times 5 is 25, which is the incorrect answer. Because when you have given multiple operation, that is division, then bracket, then again division, then you have to follow the order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, that means this bracket, then exponent if given, then multiplication, division, both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, just solve it from left to right. So first solve the parenthesis. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now 75 divided by 15 times 5. Now 75 divided by 15 times 5. Here we will cancel out 5 with 15, 3, and this give us 25. So answer is same, but the correct approach is this. So you have to solve this type of operation by following order of operation, that is PEMDAS rule. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.